Okay, so now I want you to talk to a real life example of what it looks like to hire your children. It's my son, DJ. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm DJ Thomas. I'm 15. I live in Syracuse and go to school at CBA, aka Christian Brothers Academy. I'm in 9th grade.
You have been working with us for a few years. What were some of the things that you did for like the community areas and for the tenant properties that we paid you for?
We got weeds. We put in new mulch because some of the old one was like bad. We made a fire pit near the back. We fixed up the barn, did some stuff with the horses. And also we went into like the basement and fixed up like water and stuff.
Okay. You guys also painted in some of the apartments too, right? And worked on some of the fencing for the horse pastures and stables for in order to make more money when we were there. So what are some of the things that you do now for me?
I help you with videos. Let's say I help you edit a video and post it online.
Yeah.
Help edit out like some of the stuff that you don't want.
Yeah.
Like when you say a lot and stuff like that. I also help add music, B-roll, and a bunch of other stuff too.
Yep. So for parents, when you're going to start working with your kids, it's important that you understand what you need them to do so that you can outline what the steps would look like in order to get them to be able to do it effectively for you. And in the beginning, it's going to take you some time, but over time, you will be able to stop doing those different tasks. What are some of the things that you've done with your money that you've made through the years?
I spend it a lot. I spend it on like chips, candy and stuff, and I resell it so that I gain more money. Also, I spend it on I spend it on a 3D printer so that I can print stuff and then sell that stuff, which I made a lot of money on, and that's really what I do with my money.
Yeah, so he took some of his money and reinvested into himself, getting a 3D printer. This is one of the things that he made for me for Mother's Day. It says Mom, and it's a rose. And then he also made me a dog because it's one of my absolute favorite animals. It gives your kids the opportunity to learn new skills, but also to be able to invest in themselves and see the importance of investing in themselves. Hiring your children really does help your children in many ways, but it does also help to take some of the financial burden off of you, because when we go on vacations and stuff, y'all have your own money, right? Is there anything else that you would want to share to parents that they should know if their kids are interested in working for their parents in a business?
Teaches kids new skills and help them get money so then they can make more money like I did.
Well, last question. Do you enjoy working for your parents and so that you can make your own money?
Sometimes. It's depends on what I'm doing. But most of the time, yeah, so that I can do it myself, make my own videos and stuff like that.
These are all the things that my kids are learning. So thank you so much. And thank you for working for me. Have a great day. If you are interested in doing this strategy, I would love to be able to help you. So you can click the link and you can set up a call so that we can assist you with putting this in place for your family in your business. I want to thank you so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you in my next lesson.